Natural makeup tutorial for girls. For many teenage girls, makeup can be a fun and exciting way to express themselves and enhance their natural beauty. However, it can also be overwhelming, especially for those who are just starting to experiment with makeup. In this guide, we will provide some tips and tricks for achieving a natural makeup look that is perfect for teenage girls. Tip 1. Start with a clean slate. Before applying any makeup, it is important to start with a clean and moisturized face. Begin by washing your face with a gentle cleanser and patting it dry with a towel. Next, apply a moisturizer to ensure that your skin is hydrated and ready for makeup application. Tip 2. Apply a light coverage foundation. For a natural look, choose a foundation that matches your skin tone and provides light coverage. Apply it evenly to your face using a makeup sponge or brush. Be sure to blend it well and avoid any harsh lines or streaks. Tip 3. Use concealer sparingly. Use a concealer that matches your skin tone to cover any dark circles under your eyes or blemishes on your face. Apply it using a small brush or your fingers, and blend it in well. However, do not overdo it with concealer, as too much can look cakey and unnatural. Tip 4. Add some color to your cheeks. Apply a blush to the apples of your cheeks to add some color and dimension to your face. Choose a shade that complements your skin tone and blend it in well using a blush brush. For a natural look, opt for a cream blush or a powder blush with a subtle shimmer. Tip 5. Define your brows. Use a brow pencil or powder to define and fill in your eyebrows. This will help to frame your face and give your eyes a more youthful and awake look. Be sure to choose a shade that matches your hair color and apply it with light, feathery strokes. Tip 6. Keep your eye makeup simple. For a natural look, keep your eye makeup simple. Apply neutral eyeshadow to your eyelids and blend it in well. Next, use a black or brown eyeliner to define your lash line, and finish off with a coat of mascara to open up your eyes. Tip 7. Finish off with a tinted lip balm. For a natural lip look, choose a tinted lip balm in a shade that complements your skin tone. Apply it evenly to your lips using a lip brush or your fingers, and blot with a tissue to remove any excess product. As a teenage girl, learning how to do your makeup in a natural and age-appropriate way is important for building confidence and self-esteem. Heavy, done makeup that is typical of nighttime looks should be avoided during the daytime or for school. The key to natural day makeup is enhancing your features subtly while still looking like yourself. Start with a clean face.